I've waited 100 years, I've waited a million more for you. And nothing prepared me for but the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, how you curl your lips when you're concentrating up, I would have known what I've been living for all along. What I've been living Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line, every touch is a redefining phrase. 'Cause I surrender who I've been for who you are, and nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only found how it feels to be yours, I would have known what I've been living for. What I've been living for. 'Cause we're tethered to the story we must tell. When I saw you, well, I knew we'd tell it well. With a whisper, we could tame those vicious seas like a feather, bring kingdoms to their knees.